Okay, we're gonna experience this together. First time. Okay, hot battery. Oh, we got door chime. We got dome lamps. Okay, if anything starts on fire, it's gonna run. Okay, key on. Alright. It'll start. Obviously it's got a gas. The gas tank's not in it. Okay, let's try radio. Oh, there goes the antenna. Are you shitting me? The antenna works. Let's do local channel. I'll be damned. Radio works. There goes the antenna. Will it go all the way down? Survey says. Oh, certainly. Okay. How about fan motor? Oh. Let's do. Let's do. I don't know. There goes the fan motor. Nothing's coming out at me. It's gonna blow like a freaking tidal wave. Tidal wave hurricane. Okay, what else? Tilt works. I can't believe the freaking radio works. Not that it's a big deal, but okay, seat. Yep, good. Good. That one doesn't work. Oh, there it goes. I might just be too fat for it. Oh. Almost all of it works. Okay. Box. The right side's a little sticky. Oh. Here we go. Window. Oh, that's pretty awesome. Okay, that one works. Right rear. Left rear. Kick ass. How about, let's turn the key off. Let's go make sure that we got belts out of the way. We're gonna try and crank this thing. If I can bottle feed this thing, we're gonna run it. Okay, those are semi sorta out of the way. We're gonna be all right there on the smog pump pulley. That's fine. All right, let's see. Let's give her a cranky see. This is pretty exciting. I didn't think it would actually crank. Okay, here we go. Let's see. I think we need to bottle feed, boys. We're in park, right? Yeah. Okay. All right, need a bottle. We need a bottle. All right, I'll bring you back with the bottle.